it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new, and welcome to another day of Vlogmas. I hope you guys are having a great time. I'm definitely having a great time with you guys. Thank y'all for the love and the support, and happy holidays to everybody. And if you do not celebrate, what kind of things do you get into in the month of December? I'd like to know. As you can tell by the thumbnail, we're going to be doing our Ipsy versus Ipsy for the month of December. I think I'm going to go into my mother-in-law's bag first. Every month she's generous enough to let me open her bag first. Thank you. So that I can compare it to mine and see if Ipsy's actually listening to us. Do our profiles actually matter? Not sure about that. If you're unfamiliar with the OG or the original Ipsy GLAM bag, this is a $14 monthly subscription where you receive 5 items and a small makeup cosmetics bag. I do also get my Ipsy PR, but I love Ipsy so much and I love the perks that come along with it that I still get my paid for bag, you guys. All right, my mother-in-law's profile is that she has light eyes, light hair, light skin. She's semi-comfortable with makeup, but she wants makeup. She has a heavy preference for makeup. And first up, of course, is our bag. As beautiful as this is, it doesn't scream holiday. Not that it has to scream holiday. We don't all celebrate. I know and respect that for sure. But it looks more like a watermelon. So it looks more spring summery. I wish maybe it would have been like an icy blue or silver or something like that. And then the flip side is just a beautiful pink. And then this month's theme was You're the Main Attraction. Step into the world of beauty under the big top, where wonders await. From spotlight stealing looks to spectacular surprises, it's your time to shine in the glammest show on earth. So catch it before it leaves town. And typically, yes, your products are on the inside. I won't look at those yet. So let's dive into my mother-in-law's bag. First up, right on top, is a little squeezy tube. This is the Farrah eyeshadow primer. This is something I would really like. I'm not quite sure if she uses an eyeshadow base, but if there's ever something like in her bag she doesn't like or in mine, we just kind of share and we just kind of trade back and forth. So I'm not sure that she would like that, but it is makeup. Next is bubble wrap, which is always a good sign. This is the Voss Blushing Beauty Luminous Blush Palette. I'm not going to open this up to the air. It is not mine, but I will show you on the card what it looks like. So we're already starting off with a bang for her being a makeup lover. We have makeup products thus far. Next up, feels like makeup too. It is. Oh my gosh, she's gonna love this. This is the Manicadar Beauty, the Diamond Dust in Pixie, and I'm gonna assume this is like a liquid, like highlighter or a liquid shadow. Again, I will show you on her card. All right, y'all. Next is a big tube. This is the Living Proof Restore Repair Mask Hair Treatment. She loves hair treatments, like leave-in hair conditioners, all that kind of stuff. So I definitely think she's gonna like this, and that's a pretty big size. And then last up in her bag is the Gold Faden MD Solution Lip Therapy Lip Treatment. She's also going to love this. I think that's a banger of a bag. So she had the lip balm, the Diamond Dust, I'm assuming is like a lip topper, a sparkly highlight, or a sparkly shadow. We'll see. She has her little blush. She has an eyeshadow base and her hair treatment. I think she's gonna love this. All right, let me get all of her stuff back in her bag. And then we will look at her card. Her Gold Faden MD Lip Therapy. Instantly boost, hydrate, and condition your lips with help from this antioxidant-rich lip treatment. It helps revitalize with an enriched blend of powerful moisturizers and a multi-active peptide complex. This is a deluxe sample. The full size is $40. Living Proof Restore Repair Mask. This replenishing deep conditioning mask helps repair dry, damaged hair for a long-lasting softness, shine, and smoothness. It says use 1 to 2 times per week, deluxe sample, and the full size is $42. The Manicadar Cosmetics Diamond Dust Roll-On Pigmented Shadow in the shade Pixie. This highly pigmented roll-on shadow in a light pink shade gives you mess-free application and can be used as an eyeshadow, a highlighter, or a lip topper. It is formulated with minerals to soothe the skin and provide long-lasting color, full size at $14. I'll show it to you in just a second. And then the Fair Eyeshadow Primer. Help your eyeshadow pop with this essential primer. Create the perfect base for vibrant, creaseless, long-wear looks. This is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $18. Then she had the KOSMETICS Single Blush in Rosy. This ultra blendable powder blush in a rosy hue is made with a balancing, brightening, and skin cushioning formula for a natural, healthy glow. Antioxidant rich Go-To Cola helps boost your collagen production, while Summer Lilac and Thyme extracts deeply moisturize. I hope I have that in my bag. This is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $38. So here's the Manicadar, and here's the blush. Next up, I don't know why mine is big unless I got add-ons, and maybe I did and I just forgot. And my profile is that I have light to medium skin, dark eyes, dark hair, very comfortable with makeup, but I have a preference for skincare. So we're gonna dive in and see if they're listening to us. I love her bag. I definitely think that it was very makeup heavy. All right, so here's my bag, and then I also have some add-ons in here, so I will do those in a second. Actually, it was not add-ons. I turned in all my points. I had like 7,200 points, so I'm about to show y'all what doing your reviews and all that kind of stuff gets you when you add up all them points. So here's my bag. Okay, the same, you know, actual cosmetics bag. First up, I also got the Manicadar in the same shade, the Pixie, the Diamond Dust. Next up, Centella Hyaluronic First Ampule, made with pure centella. I have no idea what the heck that's supposed to be, but it's definitely skincare. Next up is the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion. I love this. I have a full size of this. Fantastic product. Next up is the Translucent Beauty, the Illusion Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara. That is a teeny tiny little mascara. And then last up in my box is the Ren Clean Skincare, the Radiance Overnight Glow Dark Spot Sleeping Cream. That sounds great. Okay, I love this. I love this. This is definitely skincare based. 3 skincare products, our little Diamond Dust thing, and a mascara. Okay, you know what? I'm thrilled. So let me read up about my stuff, and then I will show you guys what all I got with my points. We have the Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella Hyaluronic First Ampule. That's a lot to say. This hydrating ampule quickly boosts moisture and preps your skin to absorb the next step of your skincare routines. Its key ingredient is Hyaluronic, the brand's unique complex made from hyaluronic acid and Centella asiatica to provide hydration and help to restore your skin barrier. It is a deluxe sample for $23, and the full size will be $23. The Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age-Defying Exfoliator, a cult favorite. I've used it for many years. This age-defying exfoliator gently polishes and smooths the skin, buffing away dead surface skin cells for a smoother, brighter complexion in minutes. This is a deluxe sample. The full size is $79. I feel like it is definitely worth it, in my opinion. The Manicadar, we talked about that already. That was full size for 14 bucks. The Ren Clean Skincare Overnight Glow Dark Spot Sleeping Cream. Bye-bye dark spots. This hydrating overnight treatment is on a mission to help visibly reduce hyperpigmentation without affecting or lightening the overall skin tone. I love that. Plus, it delivers an intense boost of moisture so you can wake up to dewy, glowing complexion. This is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $55. I kind of hope I don't like it, but I am going to try it. The Translucent Beauty Illusion Volumizing and Lengthening Mini Mascara in Jet Black. This long-lasting, buildable mascara helps prime and condition your lashes while also adding insane volume and length. The best part, the wand's twin vortex design allows for an even application each time. This is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $18. And y'all know, if you know and you've been here for a little while, we like to do sneaky little giveaways. So other than this product right here, which I definitely want to try and test out, I'm going to put everything else back into the little bag. We'll add some stuff to it, and I will send it to one of you guys. All rules are going to be in the description box, so please make sure you read that, and good luck, beauties. Next up, or last up, I turn in all my points, and I will show y'all everything that I got. I basically got one of everything that they had available. All right. First up, I got the Beauty by Jasmine, the Luxe Lash Volumizing Mascara. Next up, I got the Ace Beauté Seal It Hydrating Setting Spray. I also got the Somme by Me, the Retinol Intense Advanced Triple Action Eye Cream, which I thought sounded incredible. I also got the Persona Eyeliner 24-hour waterproof. There's a brown and a plum. Next up, I got the Avant, the Age Radiance Collagen Intense Activator Serum. Next up, I got the NARS Air Matte Lip Color in the shade Lose Control. I think just because it was there and I was trying to use up my points, I ended up getting the same thing that I got in my bag, the Centella Ampule thing. I'll go ahead and stick this in the bag with the other one for you guys. And then last up, I also got a Cab Cosmetics. I already forgot what I got. Pressed Pigment Quad. I'm not going to open it up. I'll honestly just stick it in here in the bag for you guys. I was just trying to redeem my points while they actually had stuff in there to redeem points with or for. So I'll put this to the side for you guys. Again, good luck. That is everything. Whose bag do you think was the best? I actually think both were very much geared toward our profile preferences. Hers was very makeup heavy. Mine was very skincare heavy. I liked both. I really thought that for the entire year, I think back in July, I loved July. And then I love November, and I really love December as well. So I feel like, I still always say this, that I feel like Ipsy, BoxyCharm by Ipsy is a really great way to, it's like the best bang for your buck. It's a great way to discover new brands or pick up your favorite brands for very affordable pricing. Yeah, that's it. Who do you think had the best bag? Comment down below. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.